Hey, what's up? You are watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel, and I'm back with new smartphone from Cubot. Last year we made reviews of Cubot X18 and X18 Plus. In 2019 the Chinese manufacturer releases the next generation of smartphone called Cubot X19. Yes, it looks very similar to Cubot X18 Plus, but there are many differences inside the phone. So this is unboxing video and first review, but later we will make separate videos about performance, camera and battery of Cubot X19. If you are interested, all the links will be in description. Also, you can hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The smartphone comes in a simple box. There is only X19 logo on the front side. On the back you can read main specifications such as 5.93-inch display, Helio P23 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and so on. Opening the box you will see a smartphone in a transparent package. It already has silicone case and factory film on the screen. Also inside the box you will find quick start guide, USB Type-C cable, and 10-watt power adapter. Cubot X19 has a standard package contents for Chinese smartphone in 2019. Now let's talk about design of this phone. Perhaps one of the main features of Cubot X19 is the lack of any kind of notches. As you know, today most mobile devices have big notches or water drop notches, but Cubot X19 comes with a small black bezel on top. Is it good or bad? Yes, the screen-to-body ratio is lower, but it still looks better than some phones with useless notches. Also, Cubot X19 has quite big bezel on the bottom and even on sides. This is definitely not a bezel-less smartphone. The rear panel and even frame are made of glossy plastic. To be honest, it looks and feels very cheap. However, don't forget that Cubot X19 is a budget smartphone, so it shouldn't have premium build materials. You can see dual vertical camera and flashlight in the top left corner and fingerprint reader in the center. As usual, power button and volume rocker on the right side, while hybrid slot for dual SIM and microSD on the left. Also, there is 3.5mm audio jack on the top. Very nice. USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone are located on the bottom. By the way, Cubot X19 has quite thick body, 9.55mm. It really feels, especially compared to flagship phones with thin cases. In general, the design of Cubot X19 doesn't differ much from Cubot X18 Plus. It has the same case materials, the same bezels around the screen, but the rear camera from the center moved to the top left corner. What do you think about Cubot X19 design? Do you like it? Write in comments below. As for the display, it has a diagonal of 5.93 inches and Full HD Plus resolution, 2160 by 1080 pixels. The pixel density is 408 ppi. This is very good specifications for the budget smartphone. In fact, I cannot say something bad or good about screen. It is just standard for 2019. However, if we talk about budget phone, then it is really good. By the way, Cubot X19 has a notification light above the display. This is very important for some people. Cubot X19 is powered by Helio P23. This is Octa-Core chipset with clock speed of 2.5 GHz. In fact, every second Chinese phone has this processor. From other side, not every smartphone has as much memory as Cubot X19. It comes in a single version with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Also, you can use microSD memory cards to expand internal storage. As I already said, we will make a separate video about performance test of Cubot X19. We will run all popular benchmarks and play games. Cubot X19 has dual rear camera with 16 megapixels main sensor and 2 megapixels secondary sensor. The front camera has 8 megapixel sensor. Once again, the camera test will be later, but right now I can say that the second sensor on the back is fake. I think so, because the smartphone has a circle in the center and other area around it is blurred. This is not real bokeh effect. Cubot X19 has good battery capacity, 4000 mAh, but this nothing say about battery life. Earlier we tested Elephant A5 with the same 4000 mAh battery and screen on time was quite low, about 5.5 hours. We should test the battery of Cubot X19. The link to this video will be in description. The smartphone has a single speaker on the bottom. I thought the sound would be average, but in fact it is quite bad. The sound from the built-in speaker is some kind of flat. It clearly lacks bass. Unfortunately, there is 3.5mm audio jack, so you can listen to music and watch videos using your headphones. Cubot X19 has dual SIM and 4G LTE support. The smartphone should work in all countries because this is a global version, but it is better to check supported bands before buying mobile device. It also has dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. GPS works very fast. It takes only a few seconds to find your location. The accuracy is about 4 meters. It was the first video about Cubot X19. Later, we will make performance, battery and camera tests of this phone. It is too early to make a final conclusion, but right now Cubot X19 looks very good for its price, only $120. Although cheap plastic case, it has Full HD display, good performance and even big 4000 mAh battery. The camera also seems okay, but not for bokeh effect. Most likely the second sensor on the back is fake. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this phone, please write in comments below. We will try to answer them. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.